नमस्कार, I am Dr. Subhash Karande, Assistant Professor, Department of Geography, Chhatrapati Shivaji College, Satara. Today, we will learn about the important part of aerial photography, that is the different calculation regarding the flight planning and number of photographs. In this presentation, we will learn about the how to calculate flying height of the aircraft, how to calculate distance between two principal points of the successive photographs, number of photographs in a single flight line, distance between two adjoining strip, number of photographs in a single strip, number of photographs are required to cover a specific area, and total area covered by the aerial photography. These are the mathematical calculation. Most of the time when you decide to survey of the specific area, such types of computerized program also available in the software, and you can decide the specified area, or you can decide to survey of the specified area using the such software program. But when you use some mathematical calculation or some mathematical formula, you can calculate all things regarding the flight planning or survey of the aerial photographs. For example, a study area is 10 km wide in the north-south direction and 16 km long in the east-west direction. A camera having a 152 mm focal length lens and 23 cm format is to be used. The desired photo scale is 1 as 20,000 and the nominal end lap and side lap are to be 60 and 30%. Calculate the total number of photographs. Now, first things are here. Calculation of ground area coverage of single photographs. If we calculate ground area coverage of single photographs, it's suitable to the calculation of other photographs. So here is this is our width of study area, and these are the length of the study area. And now we calculate how many area covered by these single photographs. Formula is photo format into photo scale. Now our photo format is a 23 cm and photo scale is the 20,000. 23 into 20,000 is equal to 4,60,000 centimeters. These are the ground area coverage by single photographs. These are the given in centimeter, so we can convert it in meter or kilometer. Now we convert it into kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to 1 lakh centimeter. So 4,60,000 divided 1 lakh is equal to 4.6 kilometer. Means this area, these photographs cover 4.6 kilometer by 4.6 kilometer ground area, because width of this photo format is 23 centimeter and length also same. So the ground coverage of these photographs is 4.6 kilometer by 4.6 kilometer. Next thing, calculation of overlap and side lap area of the ground. Side lap 30%, overlap 60%. So here is these are the 30% side lap and these are the 60% overlap. So when we calculate the actual ground area covered by single photographs, here we require to omit this area from the total calculation and this area from the total calculation. Now area without overlap is equal to 100 minus 60, because 60% is overlap is equal to 40%. Means here we calculate only 40% area. Another things, area without side lap. Side lap is 30%, so 100 minus 30 is equal to 70%. Now calculation area without overlap on ground area coverage into 40 divided 100. Ground area coverage 4.6 kilometer into 40 divided 100 is equal to 1.84 kilometer, means these are the 1.84 kilometer. These are the length of the photographs for the 40% area here. Next thing, area without side lap on ground, ground area coverage into 70% upon 100%. 4.6 kilometer ground area coverage into 70 upon 100 is equal to 3.22 kilometers, means these are the 3.22 kilometer. Next things, number of photographs in a single flight line or one flight line, means these are the single flight line and how many photographs will be on this flight line. Formula is number of photographs in single flight line is equal to length of study area upon area without overlap on ground plus 1 plus 1. Length of study area 16 kilometer, area without overlap on ground 1.84 kilometer, it's already calculated. Then plus 1 is equal to 10.69. In round figure, these are the 11, means the 11 photographs on a single flight line or a one flight line. Why we are consider here plus 1 plus 1? Because when we create a 3-dimension view under stereoscope, so you require minimum 60% overlap for each photographs. If you start your survey from this position and you end your survey from this position for a single flight line, so we could not calculate 3-dimension view of this area or 3-dimension view of this area. So you require here 60% overlap, and in this case if you capture photographs on this position or capture photographs on this position, so you can easily get 3-dimension view of this area. And for this reason we take one extra photographs from the beginning of the study area and one extra photographs for the end of the study area on a single flight line. Next thing, number of photo strip in study area. How many photo strip or how many flight lines are required to cover this study area? Formula, number of photo strip in study area is equal to width of study area, area without side lap on ground plus 1 plus 1. So width of the study area is 10 kilometer, area without side lap on ground 3.22 kilometer, plus 1 is equal to 3.10 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 5.10 kilometer. In round figure 5, the number of photo strip is 5. So why we consider here plus 1 plus 1? Because when we start your survey for this area from this position and you end your survey from this position, in this case sometimes some natural incident or natural barriers or some man-made things can be disturb your flight line or flight direction, and some areas it will be omitted or excluded from your survey. So in this case, if you consider extra 2 flight line, one from the beginning of the survey and one for the end of the survey, so we properly capture all your survey, all your area without any obstacles. In this reason we consider 2 extra flight line for every area. Total number of photographs. How many photographs are required to cover this area? Formula, number of photo strip into number of photographs on a one flight line or single flight line. Number of photo strip 5, number of photographs on a single flight line 11 is equal to 52. Means number of photographs are required to cover this area is 52 from this position to from this position. Total number of the photographs is 52. 11 photographs from one flight line and total flight line are 5. In this presentation, we use mathematical formula for the calculation of different aspects regarding the aerial photography, like a calculation of flying height, calculation of distance between two principal points, or how many photographs in a single flight line, how many photographs in a single strip, or how many photographs are required to cover a specified area. Thank you very much.